Hello, my YouTube friends. Thanks for stopping by. Now, this is, again, the Super Affiliate Network training. And it's about how to make sales and how fast you can earn with Super Affiliate Network. Now, we are finishing up with Bootcamp 6 and starting with Bootcamp 7. I'm still speaking for my coach, Misha Wilson, and this is what he has taught me. Let's begin. Before I do this slide right here, my last video will be downloaded onto this video. So if you need to go back and watch it, please do so. All right, let's continue. There's no need to learn any complicated technology to set up websites and sales funnels or advanced psychology that would allow you to sell your offers. Whether you're brand new to the internet marketing world or a grizzled veteran just looking to add more cash flow, stability, and diversity to your business, I think you'll find that the pro level of membership is a complete and total no-brainer, but you have to act right now. 6 months from now, you'll either look back on today with pride as the day that you took action and finally took control over your financial future once and for all, or you'll look back on it with regret as the day that you should have taken action. The choice is completely and totally yours. What I challenge you to do is step out of your comfort zone and understand that every single big breakthrough is directly preceded by a leap of faith into the unknown. You now have a choice. Fear versus dreams. And even though I've taken all of the risk out of the equation here today with my better than money back guarantee, I understand that there's still probably a fair bit of anxiety within you when it comes to taking the leap. But you learned about the difference between tactics and strategies and how without the right strategy, more tactics are never the answer. By now, you've learned about the 5 keys to profitability online. By now, you've learned about traffic and how paid traffic is actually the cheapest option. By now, you've learned about sales funnels and what you need to have in place in all of your sales funnels in order to create the maximum return on investment. By now, you've learned that affiliate marketing with high-ticket offers to promote is the fastest way for you to get into profit mode, and most likely the only way for you to get started on your path. Today, you've learned about what I like to call the ultimate lifestyle system and the pro level of membership. And throughout this boot camp, you've seen how this ultimate lifestyle system has worked for myself and many of my students. You're now armed with the foundational strategic information you need to succeed online. In week 2, we'll dive into the tactical portion of the equation, and I'll even show you some extra perks that you'll get here as a Super Affiliate Network partner. You've now watched this video until the very end, and now you're ready to make your decision. Fear versus dreams. The only thing that's guaranteed is that if you let your fear control you, your outcome is predetermined and you'll continue to get nowhere fast. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you always got. And that's a little writing done by Henry Ford. Now, get in contact with your business coach right now. Secure your pro level of partnership before the time on this page expires. And I look forward to working with you very soon and hearing about your success moving forward. Guess what? We're on Bootcamp 7. Systems work, people fail. It's just that simple. Set up, plug in, and take offer. How to quickly and easily plug into our tested and proven systems to virtually guarantee success. You'll discover how to quickly and easily get paid big commissions as you begin to promote. You'll need to get set up with eWallet, and now you'll be able to set it up within the course. How to get plugged in our daily and weekly calls so you can stay out of overwhelm and get into profit mode fast. There's a mindset library that you can get to within this course as well. You'll need to look at all the information on there, which are potential action, belief, and results. There's the Inner Circle coaching calls every Monday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Calls are about 1 hour to approximately 15 minutes. Daily Cry for Freedom calls every Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Calls are only approximately 15 to 25 minutes. There's also a Facebook group you can join. The simple yet effective formula that virtually guarantees success is the 30-30-30 challenge. Mindset is an issue, and it will be completely transformed if you do everything that we tell you to do here at the Super Affiliate Network. Yes, we've came to the end of this video as well. Don't forget to click or copy the link. If you copy it, open it up in a new browser and read all about the Super Affiliate Network, how you can purchase it for $1 and continue to upgrade in the company. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. And I greatly appreciate you guys for stopping by again. And I'll see you in the next video, okay? Take care. Bye.